Hi, I'm Lisa Bronner, and today we're going green with the GIY pet wipe recipe. GIY is green it yourself. I have a dog and 3 cats and often have other animals over for play dates, so we are definitely a pet-friendly household. There's Sadie, my Heinz 57 mix. I have Ollie and Ginny, who are 2 cats that are bonded that we adopted from the Humane Society. And then there's Mookie, who showed up on our front porch and adopted us. These animals give me a lot of opportunity to clean. Pet wipes are super handy in a variety of situations. I use them to bathe my cats who aren't fond of baths, or you could use them to wipe muddy puppy feet after outdoor adventures, or perhaps for a pet that's not able to take a full bath. The dilution is incredibly simple. 1.5 cups of distilled or purified water and 1 tablespoon of Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Soap. For this, I'm going to use the unscented because for cats, essential oils can be difficult for their systems to process. Mix up the solution in the jar. Then choose your wipe material. For a disposable option, you can use a roll of paper towels, or for reusable, use a washcloth or some cut up old t-shirts. I'm going to put my wipes in this pickle jar here. You can use any container that's made out of plastic or glass that can hold a liquid, just make sure it's clean. And then pour the solution over it. For this large of a container, I'm going to put in a second batch. 1.5 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of soap. We'll give those a few minutes to absorb and then they'll be ready to use. Now it's bath time. The cats just think they're getting a really good massage. I'll be keeping this near the back door for after outside adventures. This also happens to be next to my treat jar. Thanks for joining me for GIY Pet Wipes with Dr. Bronner's, and I will see you the next time we go green. Who's ready for a treat? There we go. That's such a good girl. Mookie, how about you? One more. Okay, that's such a good girl. If you enjoy this type of content and want more tips for living a simpler and greener life, then like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, check out my blog, Going Green with Lisa Bronner, and read my book, Soap and Soul.